Hey guys, it's Tiffany from SuperEasyMath.com. Today's math problem of the day says find the greatest common factor. This is a pretty simple problem, but we want to make sure we understand it because when you're dealing with higher level math, concepts like greatest common factor come into play often. So if you can find the greatest common factor when you're only doing that, it's going to make your upper level math easier in the long run. So what I like to do when finding the greatest common factor is list the factors of both of my numbers. And to do that, I just go through the counting numbers. I literally say 1 times what gives me the number, and it would be 72. And 2 times what gives me the number, and it would be 36. And then 3 times 24 gives you 72. 4 times 18, and then here's the deal. Some numbers won't go into it when you're going through the counting numbers, so you skip them. So for example, the number 5 would be the next counting number. It does not go into 72, so I don't write 5 times anything down. 6 times 12, 8 times 9. The next counting number is 9 after the 8, and we've already written 9. So I know I can stop. I don't need to look for any more factors. As long as I didn't skip one that goes into the 72, I should have correctly listed all of them. Now for the 54, we have 1 times 54, 2 times 27, 3 times 18, 6 times 9. Now I like to look at the numbers, and along the perimeter, they go in order from least to greatest. So I wrote all of my factors for 72 here and all of my factors for 54 here. And then I check to see what is the greatest common of the factors. So the 1 they both have in common, the 2 are both in common, 3, 4. We want the largest, and in this case, it would be the 18. Here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do, and don't forget to head over to SuperEasyMath.com where you can get my top 5 math tips to make learning math easy.